In this video, we're going to explain the solution to this visualizing concepts problem coming up. Hey everybody, my name is James Beard and welcome to Mastering Solutions, where we take the stress out of your science classes. In this question, they're wanting us to understand the definition to an element, a compound, and a mixture of those. So an element is basically just one kind of atom. The emphasis is on one kind of atom because you can have several different kinds. You can have just a single atom alone, or you could have them bonded together in little molecules. But both of those are still an element. Then with a compound, what we have is we have two or more kinds of atoms bound tightly into little molecules. So it's two or more kinds of atoms into molecules, bound into molecules. And then a mixture contains more than one kind of atom that are not bound into molecules like a compound. So in this box number 1, we have several blue little atoms bound together into little molecules. But they're all the exact same. There's only one kind of atom in this, so this would be E for an element. Over here in box number 2, we have some of the same thing. We have some of those blue elements over here, but we also have some compounds. We have some blue and red bound together, and we have another one over here. So number 2 over here is a mixture where it's an element, but we also have a compound together just kind of jumbled up, so that is a mixture of both. Over here in box number 3, the same thing, we have some elements as well. Again, the elements don't have to be bound into molecules to be considered an element. It's just the fact that there is only one kind of atom. So now we also have the same thing. We have some compounds here and compounds here. So this is also M for mixture. Before we finish this problem, if you found this video helpful so far, please hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below if this was a helpful explanation so others and myself know that it helped you with your homework. Thank you. Down here on 4, we only have one kind of molecule present. There is a red and a blue molecule, a red and a blue, and a red and a blue molecule. So since there's only one kind of molecule present, but each of the atoms that are bound together are different, this would be a compound. In 5 and 6, it's the same. The only difference that they're trying to make sure you understand here is that density doesn't determine whether it's an element, compound, or a mixture. So here we have some individual blue and red atoms. And over here on number 6, we have blue and red individual atoms, but they're not bound together into discrete little particles. And so both 5 and 6 are going to be mixture as well. And so if we were to differentiate between 2 and 3 and 5 and 6, 5 and 6 is mixture of elements, where 2 and 3 is mixture of an element and a compound.